Hello everyone, welcome to Wayne's Classics. We have the Rover P5 here. I'm just going to be doing the wing here. As you can see, it's not going to be the best job in the world, but it just basically involves filling it. You'll be able to see just here, sanding that down and just giving it a paint, making it look better than it is. I've got another wing to go on it, but just thought we'd give it a go and see what sort of result we can get. Obviously it's not going to be as good as a paint job, but we'll have a go. Welcome to Wayne's Classics. Got Muriel out. Started filling the wing and then just in a minute of sanding. It's never going to be a show wing. Getting there, sort of like halfway through this bit. I've done the arch a bit there, but just all that that'll do. Found some rust there in the wing, as you do, so that's been cut out, and yeah, I've filled it because there's no point. I've got a spare wing. This is just to save me having to paint the whole wing up and take this one off. So trying to not have to bloody take this thing off, but we'll give it a go. Getting there slowly, and then with any luck she'll end up looking like that. That's how the paint come out last time, especially around here and here. So we're getting there. I'll show you after how the bloody work. It's taken me since half the time there, 11:30, and I've finished since 8:30. So about 3 hours work so far. We'll get there. Stay tuned. So here we can see the end results. Not the best in the world, but with a quick sort of wet and dry sand down and a bit of polish, should be alright. But yeah, it's not too bad. I'm pretty happy with that. Secured the grey trim that goes along the wing much better as well. So yeah, we might bite the bullet and replace the wing, but that's not too bad for this year. That'll do. That'll get her to a few shows and look halfly respectable. So we'll get there. Thanks for viewing the video. Like and subscribe, and stay tuned for further content. Thank you very much. Bye bye.